In this guide, I'll walk you through how to uninstall the Riot Client from your computer. If you find this helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more useful tutorials. Let's get started. First, go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type Remove Programs. Now in the list, type Riot to find any Riot-related applications. Before you can uninstall the Riot Client itself, you'll need to uninstall any Riot games first. For example, Valorant. Click the three dots next to the game and select Uninstall. If you see an error message, don't worry. Here's how to fix it. Open the Task Manager by searching for it in the Start menu. In Task Manager, search for Riot in the list of processes and close any Riot-related apps that are still running. Once all Riot processes are closed, return to your apps list. Click the three dots next to the game again and hit Uninstall. After successfully removing the games, now you can find the Riot Client, click the three dots next to it, and press Uninstall. And that's it. The Riot Client has been fully removed from your system. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple guides like this one.